Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Lauren K. This is the second part of the continuation of the Get Ready With Me video. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I curl my hair to complete this look. Subscribe now and I hope you enjoy the video.
Part 2!
So now I'm going to do my hair. I guess I'll show you how to brush it. And then Lioness. I'm gonna use my kids detangling spray if I have one. Oh, I guess I have my own. Tresemme. Especially at the ends where they're super dead. If you have long hair, you have a lot of dead ends. So when people tell me, how do you grow out your hair so long? I just don't cut it. That's it. And then when it reaches my belly button, that's when I cut it. I just put it in front and then I chop the ends off. Okay, so I part it in half, put it in front, a rubber band. Let's do it quick. Boom, and I grab a little section and I spin it, twirl it again, loosen it till I get to the tip, and then I just hold it, and then I let it go. Boom. And there it is. One, two, three, four. Let it go. There's another one. Part this one in half. Turn it. Loosen it. Turn it. Just a little bit right there. I'm excited for today. Today is a big day. Not for me, but for our family. And I'm super excited. So I'm getting ready for the day. To be ready and supportive. Halfway there, babe. So here's one full one. And then I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. And then I can let this out. You're going to want to grab the strands of hair closest to your face and go ahead and curl those. Here we're going to do the bangs and notice in which direction I have the curling iron. And that's how you do one section. See it all the way. Boom. And I gotta do this side. I'm going to do the same thing. Put the rubber band. And then we'll make this part go fast. I'll be back in a bit. We're back and I'm done with the other side. So now we just take it out. Now you're just gonna get a couple sections. This part, and you're just gonna turn it. I don't know which part. I guess I'll go like that. Okay, go potty. Hold on.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button.
The subscribe button.
The links is in my bio.
Want to say bye?
Bye. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Mommy, get ready.
See you in the next video.
See you in the
Part
next video.
2.
Bye.
Bye.